Ladies and gentlemen, get ready, because today, we're taking baked lamb chops to an entirely new level of flavor. Now, baked lamb chops on their own. Delicious. But when you bring Royal Tiso hot pepper sauce into the mix, lamb chops gets better. This isn't just heat, this is flavor artistry. Look at that glaze. Just the right sheen, rich, vibrant, and packed with aroma. Royal Tiso is crafted with care, naturally preserved, and layered with no sugar, low in sodium, bold heat, smoky depth, tangy brightness, and savory harmony, the perfect balance for tender, juicy lamb. As a marinade, Royal Tiso seeps deep into every cut, locking in that savory warmth. As a dip, it gives every bite that perfect burst of tangy spice, bold, but never overpowering. Can you see that tenderness? It's juicy, flavorful, and layered with Royal Tiso magic. This is how you turn a Sunday dinner into something unforgettable. So whether you're hosting family, cooking for friends, or just treating yourself, Royal Tiso makes every meal come memorable. Available now at www.royaltiso.com and in your local stores. Try it once, and you'll see, lamb chops really do get better.